In my experience of travel, I hate travel because it's just so much of it. But how long can you keep saying, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it? I don't know, when do we stop this self-defeating talk? I hate this subject, I hate leaving home, I hate going here, I hate doing this, I hate. This self-defeating talk stops us from reaching where we want to reach in our lives. And what I do want to share with all of you is, destinations are important, but do not forget to enjoy the journey, because the journey to the destination is very long. And I've seen a lot of times that we become destination addicts and forget to enjoy. How many of you had a great time at DAIS? How many of you had a great time with your friends? How many of you enjoyed the journey? Okay, wow. Looks like I need to take my clothes off and come back, madam, to DAIS to experience this beautiful journey. I was sharing with her an interesting story. This is a class in London, 7-year-olds, and a teacher asked all the kids, what do you want to be when you grow up? Some of them said doctors, some of them said lawyers, some of them said actors, some of them said solicitors. One boy was quiet. The teacher turned to the boy and said, does it take that long to answer that question? Very thoughtfully, the boy said, when I grow up, madam, I want to be happy. The teacher said, boy, looks like you haven't got the question right. The 7-year-old said, ma'am, looks like you haven't got life right. Because if you would have gotten life right, you would know that everything that we do is wanting to be happy. And this answer was given by the legendary John Lennon of the Beatles crew. Right? It was John Lennon who said this. You didn't get life right. And therefore, as you move from one destination to another, do not forget to enjoy the journey and be happy.